G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Northern Adventures. We're out on the CONDAMINE Gorge Track, also known as the 14 Crossings. There's another little track bypass around there. It's a bit of a loop track. I think it's got the waterfalls and a few scenic lookouts, so it should be a good trip. It's roughly located about 2 and a bit hours out southwest of Brisbane itself, so it's not a massive drive, but it's well worth it by the looks of it. So let's go and hit that road and see what we can find, guys. Come and join the adventure. Just arrived at Queen Falls, just in the car park. Grab some camera gear and whatnot, and we're going to have a bit of a yonder out there and see what we can find. Should be a pretty good waterfall, hopefully. Oh well, let's do it, guys. Let's get into it. Up on side road, we're just at Queen Mary Falls and flying a drone around and had a little bit of an accident. She's gone for a collision, smashed a few blades on her, so yeah, we'll repair that and we'll keep on tracking. I think we've got brown falls and dark falls. Have a look at the view though. Tell you what, some nice spots out here at CONDAMINE. Recommend doing it, guys. Alright, let's get going. The CONDAMINE Gorge Track, also known as 14 Crossings. We've just completed the circuit, had a few lookouts, a few waterfalls. Didn't end up doing the other two. Well, I had a look at one of them. Wasn't the best. Wasn't going to grab all camera gear out for it. Queen Mary Falls on the other note. That is bloody awesome. Well worth going for a walk in there and have a look, guys. Yeah, even sent the drone in there. A little bit damaged, but oh well. Get that from a job. Yeah, would love to see it in the wet at full go. Righto, let's go and hit the tracks anyway. Let's go and splash around a bit of water. Give this rig a bit of a wash down. About as far as we go. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, it's Condamine Gorge done and dusted. Beautiful bit of country out there. Do yourself a favour and head out there. You won't be disappointed. Plenty of waterfalls to see. Backdrops like that in the background. Beautiful. Yeah, heaps good. Heaps of fun. Heap of river crossings as well. I prefer to do it in the wet season. I reckon there'll be a bit more water around, but oh well. Still had a blast and that's all that counts. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next episode. Please hit that subscription button too. Cheers legends.